How to download Grubhub app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, head over to your App Store. Once you are in the store, tap on the search bar and search for Grubhub. In the search results, you will see the Grubhub app appear. It will have this kind of logo. Once you find the app and confirm with its logo, you can see the install button right next to it. If you are using an iPhone, you can see the Get button. You can simply tap on it to install this app on your phone. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, you can see this open button. You can directly launch the app from here. Tap on it. And there you go. That's how you can easily download Grubhub app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.